Hey guys, Patio here again from Innova Heating Co. Today I'm going to show you how to properly install the standard safety grid that comes with all Innova heaters, whether it's the 39-inch or the 61-inch. First thing you want to do is to ensure that you're starting on one side and that these 4 points go in together. Applying a little bit of pressure against the reflector foil. Carefully put each one in, taking care not to scratch the stainless steel finish or painted finish on your heater. Ensure it is centered up like that and that it's all the way in as far as it can go. And then you start from one side, slowly putting in the other 4. With a little bit of outward pressure and pushing in with the other side, ensuring you get that in there, and continue that all the way through like that. The installation method is a little bit easier when it's installed on the wall and it's already installed onto your surface, whether it's the ceiling or the wall. But follow the same procedure where you're starting on the bottom end here, being very careful that the tabs go within that slot. Once you have the bottom end nice and firm, start on the top from one side over to the other side.